around us we notice many people they like to talk just like this that we are having problems doing things that means in our way of life we face a lot of problems, don't you? In this world there is not a single person who don't face problem. Everybody have to face problem in their way of life, but the way of solving that problem is different. Someone is very afraid of solving anything, some have many courages, they're very brave to do anything, they're doing that on their way, or they're making a system. So when we'll face a problem, we'll not think about that problem. We will have to think about, or we'll have to focus the moment what we have. What we have, with that, we may start our journey. We may try to solve it out. What we have, but what we don't have, we should not think about that. What we have, we'll think about it and we'll take a step to solve it out. Here is a line: fight or flight. In our way of life, if we don't fight, we'll have to fly. We'll have to live it. But who live or who fly, they are defined as loser. So don't be a loser. We'll have to fight. We'll have to face the problem. When we face the problem, our brain will be stretched. Our brain thoughts is like elastic. When we face it, it's just stretch. When we are afraid of, it's just being so shrink. So we'll have to take the problem and we'll have to find the way how to solve it. And when a problem comes to us, we'll think that it's an opportunity to judge ourselves. I will judge myself what sort of problem I may face. I'm the master to solve critical problem, to solve critical things. Then I'll get a confidence. That's why we'll have to say impossible means we are possible. Where people fail, we will try to solve it out. That should be our motto. You may ask me why I am talking to these sort of speeches and what did I do in my life. In my life, what I did, that's enough to me, Alhamdulillah. And I have some plans what I gonna fulfill. And who knows me personally, they can talk about me, what sort of guy I am. Because of some technical problem or technical reason, I don't want to expose what I did and what I am gonna do in my life. But I take a problem as an opportunity. That it's a problem, I learn something from here. And what's I will use in my life. And if any problem come in future, I'll be more capable to handle that things. That's why problem is not a problem to me. Problem is an opportunity to learn a new thing. If we take it like this, then our life will be more enjoyable, more meaningful. So we'll try to think just like this. That would be nice for both of us, for the people who are living in the world. Best wishes for all. Just as tried it to my personal opinion to you. That's it. Don't take it otherwise. Thank you very much.